Very respected Executive Director for the Varghese Palati, Assistant Executive Director for the Anil Kiliyelikudi, Principal Rajalakshmi Ma'am, Vice Principals Jijo Sir and Shaiju Sir, parents, teachers and my dear friends. A day remember where our motherland got azadi from the brutal slavery of the colonial rule after 200 years of chained freedom to be an Indian. मैं एक हिंदुस्तानी हूँ और मैं इस देश की मिट्टी पर गर्व करती हूँ. I am an Indian and I'm proud of my country, and that is what they gave me on this day 74 years back. I, you and we all have got the freedom. This speech, this voice and this expression that I have got is a sacrifice of millions of 4Gs then until the date. There are thousands who left their homes and their loved ones to be there in the borders to keep our life and land safe. On these days, last year and the year before, when we all were hit by the flood, and a few days back when there was a huge landslide at Rajmala, they all were there to protect us. Even the recent plane crash at Calicut shows the lifeless sacrifice of late ex-wing commander of IAF, Sir Deepak Sate, who showed the spirit and courage of all the soldiers in the defense. This freedom that we enjoy today is not something that is granted, but through immense sacrifices and adversities. So let the freedom be in our minds, faith be in our words, and pride be in our soul. Let's salute our nation and soldiers on this Independence Day. Jai Hind.
जय 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 जन्मभूमि, जय 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 भारत भूमि, जय 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 जन्मभूमि, जय 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 भारत भूमि, जय 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 जन्मभूमि, जय 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 भारत भूमि. आकाश गंगയൊഴുകി വന്ന ഭൂമി, श्रीकृष्ण गीत अमृत तन्न भूमि, श्रीकृष्ण गीत अमृत तन्न भूमि. वेदांत सार विहार पुण्य भूमि, वेदांत सार विहार पुण्य भूमि. भासुर भूमि भारत भूमि, भासुर भूमि भारत भूमि. जय 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 जन्मभूमि, जय 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 भारत भूमि, जय 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 जन्मभूमि, जय 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 भारत भूमि.
Good morning everyone. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today, we are celebrating 74th Independence Day of India. It's really a very great national event. Independence Day holds a lot of significance in the lives of Indians, as on this day we got freedom after a long struggle of thousands of freedom fighters and great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and many more. We are born in an independent country and hence probably understand very little about the insults of being governed by foreign power. So dear ones, let us very gratefully remember our forefathers who drove our nation out of long slavery. Independence Day is a very important day to keep the spirit of patriotism alive and at the same time to enjoy spirit of freedom. It also motivates us to bond with each other irrespective of which religion, caste, creed or culture we belong. India has shown phenomenal growth in various fields including science, technology and agriculture since its independence. But there is still a lot to achieve, a lot to be done. Now, it's your turn to continue the legacy of doing something great for our nation. I'm sure you will do it. Let's proud to be an Indian. Once again, wishing you all very happy Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.